guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Daisy, and today I wanted to show you guys my favorite at-home workouts, especially because it's quarantine and I know how important it is to stay in shape, especially for your mental health and to look good and feel good. Also, all of these exercises are kind of geared to give you more of a cinched waist rather than building your obliques outward, because I notice a lot of times people will be wanting like a smaller waist and they'll be doing all these exercises that actually build your obliques outward. So I try to stay away from any sort of planks or any sort of exercise that really targets your obliques, because that's just not my favorite. A lot of these exercises are exercises that I've gathered just over the years, whether it was through my soccer training throughout in high school, or it was from my friends or online or whatever it was. I just kind of piled all my favorite ones that cinch my waist into one whole workout. So some of these exercises will show you how, and it will really activate your lower abs, which is personally what I need. I also feel like one of the most commonly overlooked areas of your abs are the lower abs, and it's because a lot of ab routines tend to focus on your upper abs and your obliques. However, if you start to increase the blood flow into your lower abs, it will help you burn that stubborn belly fat, which I know a lot of people have a hard time burning that. So if you're on the same page as me, then you can follow along. hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want me to do more at-home workouts, I definitely can. Definitely subscribe, like, drop a peach in the comments below. That way I know that you like these types of videos. Anyways, don't forget to check me out on all my socials, and if you want more workouts by me and meal plans, definitely check out peach.fit. I will also leave a link in the description box below. Anyways, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye!